Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how to change the lowercase, how to change lowercase or uppercase certain column. So in this example we have a customer name. Is the customer names, each customer names the mixed letters, lowercase and uppercase. So we need to change all of them inside lowercase. How do we change? First, this data set already we insert the format for data table format. So here is we check the table name, table design and table name customer. So we can copy this one. Okay, here this is our column. We need to change the case sensitive or lowercase or uppercase, which one. Okay, so here we use lower function. Lower, we know that table name customer, which field we need. See, here is the square bracket. Okay, customer and close and closed. See this one. Or if you want a uppercase, equal upper and same thing, and then customer done. These all of them we used for table format. Okay, here we already insert this data set for table. If you don't insert this one for a table, if you are not insert this data set in a table, you can't use this model. So that time you need to use upper or lower. Okay, lower, and then we need to give our cell value. Okay, cell value only. Okay, so this is the way you can change uppercase or lowercase. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and comment and thumbs up. Thank you.